Hello world energy. On the ground, hear the bells and see the field. Let's dive deeper. Whenever we discuss power stations, it's clear they're for IDs, leisure camping, or motorhomes. But no, power stations are generators designed for diverse tasks. They are crucial for work, industrial tasks, and a professional's daily routine. For instance, the 3036 Pro alongside the 5050 Pro and earlier models showcases immense capabilities. With the 5050 Pro, we will demonstrate a practical experience to highlight its potential as a power station. It can power a plasma cutter with inverter technology, support a welding inverter, and handle up to 200 amps of consumption using 325 electrodes. Let's calculate how many 325.1 electrodes can be used in one full load of the GZE-5050 Pro unit.
Let's put the experience in. Talk to you later.
Well, you've seen what you can do with a power station. Did you see the plasma cut? Have you seen electrode welding with the inverter? That up to 200 of regulation are Solter equipment in a demonstration with a distributor where professional customers have gone to test this equipment. To really test how we can weld with the power station. How can we cut with plasma here? I have the GZE-5050 PRO, and the one you have seen at work was the 5050 PRO. We have seen that 1% in the consumption electrode of 325, but just as I have connected here, now the nursery generator that will power the station, as soon as it reaches a certain percentage of FAC. Now this unit is at 19%, it's worth 19%. That is, if I set the generator to automatic right now, the unit will start the generator and will self-recharge. We may also be recharging with solar panels at the same time we're welding. But most importantly, just like I have the generator connected, I can have this battery connected that you're seeing here. Exactly the same as the generator is connected. Can I connect this battery to you? If with this battery I multiply the capacity by 2, that is, if with one battery, the internal battery, I am able to work that 8-hour day. With 2 batteries, I would be working twice as hard, or with 3, because you can add as many batteries as you want. Look, let's put it on the generator. The generator on automatic, there it would be on automatic. You see what the power station does? The team boots it up to recharge because it is at 19%, and from when it reaches 20%, when it goes from 20 to 19, the gazebo starts to self-recharge. But here we are seeing the load he's putting in, 1600. 600 watts is now recharging the battery of this generator. So when it finishes recharging, when the station is after recharging, the generator automatically goes to it to make you realize that advantage, because it really becomes one. Energy. Truly infinite. I currently have the Tennis 300 connected. As you might know, it's available on our website under categories like lighting, machinery, and more. This model is part of the tennis range. Additionally, there's the 500 XXL, also known as La Torre, which is that larger model we showcased earlier in another session. In summary, both options are impressive.
So the setup is fully operational. Have you taken a closer look at all the potential capabilities?
And here we are going to leave more information in Genergy.es. And remember, there you have the contact section, all my partners' telephone numbers, our contacts, in short, for any questions you have. Let us clarify so that you can talk to us at a given time. And it is also important that it is forbidden to stop learning.